Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 9 p.m. At 7:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Crest Hill, or near Plainfield, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for southeastern Cook, northwestern Will, and southeastern DuPage counties. Hazard, 90 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include Belmont-Cragen, Paulus Heights, Westchester, West Town, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Oak Lawn, Marionette Park, Summit, West Garfield Park, Austin, near North Side, Stickney, Willowbrook, Logan Square, Crestwood, Westmont, Lower West Side, Avalon Park, and Grand Boulevard. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage.